Well, I was looking at this. I sent one. I didn't have such a cool image of it, but I like this. This is cool. So we're talking about a bigger MacBook Air, which is rumored to arrive April 2023, which is not that far away. And I think this is a long time coming, honestly, because the MacBook Air is it's just that sweet spot, really, for the vast majority of customers. You know, from a power perspective, it's plenty powerful now for most people with the M stuff in there. And for a long time, it was like, okay, it's also got to be ultra portable, ultra light. So it was this 13-inch form factor. But then other manufacturers came along and they said, you know what, you can do thin and light with a bigger display. And some people who don't need MacBook Pro level horsepower still might want a bigger display.
Sure.
Guess what? It might be their main computer. It might be... they might watch a lot of content on there. They might watch their movies on there. They take it over to the university, and that's kind of their TV, isn't it, Will?
Yeah. Yeah.
But they don't need crazy horsepower. They don't need horses. They don't need no stinking horses.
No, they're not mining, Bitcoin or something.
They're not mining the coins. So why can't they just have a bigger MacBook Air? Well, guess what? Here's the rumor that they will get it. Display supply chain analyst Ross Young said in December the larger MacBook Air would arrive in the spring 2023. Rumors of this 15-inch MacBook Air have circulated as far back as 2021. But now's the time. You go out and you make it. Details on a future 15-inch MacBook Air have also been leaked by Ming Chi Kuo. So now you got more than one analyst leaking the intel. And this thing, if it's as thin as the MacBook Air, but with the 15-inch form factor, it's going to feel even thinner than it is. Because you know how that works with thinness? As it gets even bigger, like, whoa.
Yeah. This is like a sheet of paper.
This is a Frisbee right here.
Yeah.
So hopefully they maintain the crazy lightness. Like, I'll give you an insight on that. Take my wife, for example. She's mostly in, like, Google Docs and things like that. But in some circumstances, you can really utilize a little bit more display space.
Yeah.
But you just don't need that much power. And so she would say, I got to get this. I need the bigger display. I got to get this MacBook Pro. And I'd be like, man, that seems like a lot.
Yeah, it's kind of overkill.
Just sitting there and all chunky and stuff.
Yeah.
Seems like a lot.
Yeah.
So now all of a sudden you got a new customer over here. I think they'll find some customers for that.